Good day, guys. Welcome back to this channel. To those of you that are yet to subscribe, be it you are new to this channel, make sure you click on the subscribe button, like, share, make your comments, and also do well to follow us on Telegram. So let's take a look at AUD USD for the next day, which is for the 6th of December. But before that, currently we are there's a registration for the online mentorship. So to those of you that would love to learn how to trade professionally or properly, we would start offering the online mentorship, which will be starting on Monday. So, one of the things, there are a lot of things we'll be looking at, which is not to analyze charts properly, what to, use price actions, the way that I'm analyzing these charts for you guys. So you'll be taught how to analyze it, the strategies that is being used for, AUD, USD, GBP USD, Euro USD. We'll be looking at psychologists, how to trade all these, USD pairs, Nasdaq, gold, WTI, currencies, the fundamental news that affect all this. You will look at every of those news, from the interest rates to um, in CPI to PPI, right? We will be looking at all these things, how it literally affects this moment. We will be taught that how to enter, how to take profit, how to also exit a trade, also indicators that will be looking at chart patterns, risk management and trade management. Every other thing will be taught. So if you're interested, you will find the link to the mentorship in the comment section. So once you go there, you'll see the link to December online mentorship. So once you subscribe, you'll get access to those your courses. So you'll be taught how to trade, which everything will be run within 2 months. So we are not looking to extend it for 6 months or 7 months. Within 2 months, we are going to run everything for you. So if you the link to the mentorship will be in the comment section. So back to this our analysis on AUD. You can see that one of the reasons why this AUD fell was because interest rates was left the same. Assuming interest rates was hiked, maybe interest rates was increased, you would have seen that AUD USD would push up. But since the Fed, will I say the Fed, they decided to leave it the same. So this is one of the reasons why it fell. So would it continue to fall? There's every possibility it could. Because when you see something like this on the 4 hour time frame, especially on the higher time frame, we can see that there was one rejection, market drop. We can see another rejection, market failing to break this previous highs, giving us a new higher highs. It does not do that. Then we add this drop. You can see that what does this drop indicate? It clearly can see that this is a reversal pattern. This is exactly what you are going to be taught how to take a trade on this type of pattern. You will be taught on the mentorship. So if you're interested, you can subscribe. So when you take a look at this reversal pattern, which is the double top, it means that market wants to start reversing. So with what I'm saying, AUD is likely to push up one more time. After that, another drop. If it does not give us another drop, then we should sit to push up and take out this ice. The reason why I'm saying that there's every possibility to push up is because of our DXY. DXY is our factor. With what I am seeing here, DXY should fall, because if we take a look at it, markets reacted to this level. We also saw a reaction at this level, and now market is at this level. So we expect market to react by dropping. So if market drops a bit, then of course AUD to USD will definitely push up. But for tomorrow, which is 6, our first target is this. We are going to be looking at the targets little by little. Our first target is push up first. Let us see if we can come and tap this our trend line. But first of all, it will be a push up. That is it. Then after that, I'm going to give you guys an update if we would continue the movement to the upside or a downside. So guys, do not forget to join the mentorship. You will find the link to the mentorship in the comment section.